Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. In this video, we have tips on how to safely use a space heater in your home. I'm here with Pat, who's a longtime firefighter. Space heaters can be a very useful tool to heat a space that's a little bit colder and can be a great way to save money on your energy bills, but they can be a safety concern when they are misused, and that could cause a fire.
Absolutely. You want to make sure that it's in a level area. You want to make sure that it's not up against anything. You want to make sure there's nothing, you want to be 3 to 5 feet away from everything else. You don't really want to run an extension cord to it. And then I would like to see education with the other family members, especially small children, so that they're not putting stuff on it. I had an incident where a small child used the space heater to heat his pillow, and that's what caused the fire. So just education in general was always a good idea.
I've been told too that it's a good idea never to use an extension cord on a space heater, because especially when they're on high, they draw a lot of electricity and that cord can get warm.
Absolutely. And, depending on the quality of the cord as well, that's not helping out anything. And there's really no reason to put it out in the center of the room where people can trip over the cord and risk knocking it over and things of that nature.
Right. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to our website, acehardware.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Better yet, stop by your local neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.